Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mrs. Sophia Sohail is here. Today in this video, I will try to explain the multiplication in the polynomials. Okay. So first I will write down one polynomial and multiply it with a single term, which is called monomial. Suppose I am taking any polynomial. If it is multiplying by any number, whether it is a constant number or with a variable terms, suppose I am taking 5a. Okay, so when a single term is multiplied, so single term, this one will be multiplied to all terms, like to this and second this, third this term. Okay, so we have to make this with multiplied to this and this. In the multiplications, numbers are multiplied to numbers and exponents, if the base same, exponents will be added together, or if the base are different, they will be writing in the product form as it is. Okay, so let's continue what I'm saying. These two things are multiplied, so 5a multiplied to ax square. If this is positive, so this sign will remain same, plus 5a multiplied to bx plus 5a multiplied to the third term c. Okay, see what I have done. I write first term, then second term, and then third term. They all are multiplied to the first term, this one. Now how we will multiply? We will continue like 5, there is no any number, 5, okay. A times A, because A is same, so their exponent 1 and 1 added up and it will give you 1 plus 1, 2. X square is only single term, it will remain as it is, no multiplication with any other term. Plus, okay, 5 is only one number, 5. A not repeated, B not repeated, X not repeated. So how we will write? A, B, X. We will combine them as it is. Plus 5. A and C, they both are the variable terms. So they both will remain as it is because they are not multiplying together. So their product will be AC. Like this, one polynomial is multiplied to a single term. Okay. Now, FOIL method. I will explain this method for multiplying A plus B to C plus D. Two terms here, two terms here. What we have to do, I explain every time the FOIL method with a little trick that write down the two terms up and down like this one. Okay, make a straight line. FOIL, first mean first to first term. So product of this right here. What is the product of AC? AC. Product of this right here. B and D multiply to give you BD. This multiply and give here A times D. This multiply and give here B times C. This is called first. These are the outer term, these are the inner term, and these are the last term. So FOIL method is completed. I am repeating again, first, last, outer, inner. So just make the cross in the mind. So let me solve one more exactly in the same way with the simple different numbers. Then you will see how we are multiplying together the two terms. So this time I am taking one more term, like suppose that it is 2x square minus 5x and 3x plus 6. How to multiply? Okay, first to first. 2 3s are 6, x2, x1, x power 3. Last to last term, 5 6 are 30, x minus plus minus. Okay, then cross this and this we will multiply. Okay, cross. 2 6 are 12 x square and this 3 5s are 15 x square. This is positive, so we will write plus. This is plus minus minus. In this answer, if there is any like term, you can solve together. Like these two, x square and x square are like terms, so we will solve their coefficients together, okay? So plus 12 and minus 15 we can solve together. We will get answer minus 3. Because they are opposite integers always subtract to give you the digit, and sign of the bigger we will use here. So it will be 6x cube minus 3x square minus 30x. Okay, so I multiply the polynomial with the one term, then get answer. I multiply binomial with the binomial by the FOIL method, then get the answer. Okay, now I will go to the next exercise question, which I will take from the countdown 8. Exercise 12. Yes, in this question we have to multiply this with this. So anyone we can say as multiplicand and the other one we can say as multiplier. So first bigger term I always keep it as multiplicand. This is called multiplier. I will go with a little different method. There are two methods normally. We can multiply horizontal and in the vertical way. So I will suggest write them in the vertical way and then multiply them together. M square plus n square. We need to multiply. What I do, I will make a line. Okay, but then I have to make my mind that this is the complete single statement or single polynomial. It has to be multiplied by the first term and then by the second term. Okay, so let me write down the first term here. First term here, I will put the equal sign m square, and then I will write the second term plus n square. Okay, I write first term m square plus n square. Then I need to multiply this complete m square plus mn plus n square, and here also I need to multiply this with complete m square plus mn plus n square. It's like I'm multiplying them in the horizontal way, but I write in the vertical way. So if you are writing, you will be more focused that which terms are multiplying. Write down the first term, then second term. Means write down this here, and then upper polynomial you will repeat here. Now their answer, it's the single step. Okay, their answer I'm writing over here. Okay, like this it's easy to write the answer in front of it. M square, because the base same, means this to this m4, then this to the next term plus m3n, and then this to the third term. M square n will become m square n square. Okay, start with this one. Because the positive sign is there, so internal all sign will remain same. N square to m square, then n square to mn. So it will become m, n2 and n1, n3 power. Then n square to n square, that is n power 4. Now you can add this one. Okay, writing in the same way, we can add them together. If there are any like terms, we can solve them together. Which are the like terms? You can highlight m cube, m1, n cube. So they are not like terms. Only m square, n square, m square, n square. They can be like. So just highlight them and then solve them together. First term will remain as it is, no like term. m4 equal sign plus m cube n, 1 and 1 2, m square n square plus m n cube plus n4. This is your answer. It's so easy to find out and there will be less chance of having mistake. Let me explain one more part in the same way. Okay, one more polynomial. This is multiplicand. This I will write as multiply. Okay, I will write them in the vertical form first. 5a square minus 2ab plus 3b square. First I write, then I write second. ab plus 1. So we need to multiply. Again, what I will do, I will multiply. This is my first term. I will write here ab. This is my second term. Plus 1 I will write over here. Okay, then upper polynomial I will repeat over here. 5a square minus 2ab plus 3b square, and here also 5a square minus 2ab plus 3b square. Why? Because ab will multiply this complete, I write here, then plus 1 multiply to complete, I write here. So instead of writing down, I will write their answer in front of it, make it line over here and equal sign. AB multiplied to 5a square. A is common to a square, so b will stay as it is, 5 will stay as it is. 5 ones are 5, no any term with other with 5. B will also stay as it is. A square and a, we write in alphabetical order, a cube, because a power 2, a power 1, a cube. B will stay as it is. Minus 2 a square b square plus 3 b square will multiply to b will become b cube, a stay as it is, a b cube. Now second term plus, like write in the second line plus 1 time 5 a square, because 1 is multiplying so all terms will remain same. I will write okay. Now adding this one I will write here. Okay, after adding this one, in before adding, we will check if any term is like to the other term, we can highlight, but I see that a cube b is not same to anyone. A square b square no same. A b cube no same. So write down the full as it is, or just as it is also your required answer. Okay? No need to write that again also. Next question I will start. That what is that next question? A4 plus A3 minus 1 and multiply by A4 minus A square plus 1. This is very important question because most of the students are getting confused in this one. Write down the first as it is, but in a very clear handwriting. Second term A4 minus A square plus 1. You need to multiply the three terms. Okay, focus that. If you can focus that there are three terms. First term A4 right here. Second term minus A square right here. Third term plus 1 right here. Okay, and then write down means this is multiplied to complete this polynomial right here, A4 plus A3 minus 1. This again multiplied to complete, so write here. Okay, this again multiplied to complete and write here. Now equals to, multiply them in front of it. A4 multiplied to this all, it become A8 plus A4 plus A3 means A4 multiplied to A3 means base will remain A, exponent will be added up. 4 plus 3, 7. Minus 1 multiply, it will remain same. Then minus, it means all signs change. Minus A square A4, A, 2 plus 4, 6. Minus will change to, plus will change to minus, A, 2 plus 3, 5. This will change to plus, it will remain A square. In the next, plus A4 plus A3 minus 1. Okay. Now we will add them. If there is any like term, we will solve them together. So we can see that only these are the like terms. Minus A4 and plus A4, because they are like and exactly opposite also, we can cancel at the same place. We will write the answer equals to A8 plus A7 minus A6 minus A5 plus A3 in alphabetical order or with exponential decreasing power plus A square minus 1. And this is solved like this. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like. Next video I will start the next part. Allah Hafiz.